圣魔占居求，谢居圣。我的灵魂颂扬上主，我的心声欢悦于上主，我的救主，因为他垂顾了他婢女的卑微，今后万世万代都要称我有福。因全能者在我身上行了大事，他的名字是圣的，他的仁慈世世代代如无尽始，赐予敬畏他的人。他伸出了手背，施展大能，驱散那些心高气傲的人。他从高桌上推下权势者，却拒言了卑微贫困的人。他曾使饥饿者饱享美物，反使那富有者空手而客。他曾废弃自家的仁慈，扶助了他的仆人以色列，正如他向我们的祖先所讲过的恩许，施恩于亚伯兰和他的子孙，直到永遠。
我的靈魂頌揚上主，我的心神歡躍於天主，我的救主。我的靈魂頌揚上主，我的心神歡樂於天主，我的救主。因為他垂顧了他卑微的婢女，從此萬世的人都要稱我有福。因為全能者在我身上行了大事，他的名字是聖的，他的恩慈世世代代如無窮之世，賜予敬畏他的人。我的靈魂頌揚上主，我的心神歡躍於天主，我的救主。他以手臂施展了大能，驅散了那些心高氣傲的人。他從高位上推下有權勢者，卻居養了卑微弱小的人。我的靈魂頌揚上主，我的心神歡躍於天主，我的救主。他是給我的人眾應輔助，是那富有者反而空乏離去。他想起了自己的恩慈，已輔助了他的僕人以色列。正如他向我們祖先所預許的，是人的亞巴郎和他的子孫，直到永遠無窮世。
My soul proclaims the greatness of the Lord. My spirit rejoices in God my Savior, for he has looked with favor on his lowly servant. From this day all generations will call me blessed. The Almighty has done great things for me, and holy is his name. He has mercy on those who fear him in every generation. He has shown the strength of his arm. He has scattered the proud in their conceit. He has cast down the mighty from their thrones and has lifted up the lowly. He has filled the hungry with good things, and the rich he has sent away empty. He has come to the help of his servant Israel, for he remembered his promise of mercy, the promise he made to our fathers, to Abraham and his children forever.
Magnificat anima mea Dominum.
Et exulta in spiritu
Esit humilitatem mansile sue, exenim ex hoc beata medicent omnes generationes.
Quia fecit mi magna qui potens est, et sanctum nomen eius,
Et misericordia eius a progenie in progenies, timentibus eum.
fecit potentiam in brachio suum, dispersit superbos mente cordis sui,
Deposuit potentes tessere, et exaltavit humile.
Surientes simple vit bonis, et divit est dimisit in annes.
Suscepit Israel puerum suum, recordatos misericordiae suae.
Sicut locutus estat patres nostros, Abraham et semini eius in saecula.
Gloria Patri et Filio et Spiritui Sancto,
Sicut erat in principio et nunc et semper, et in saecula saeculorum.